Hindi pala. Saski, hello Saski. Thank you. Thank you so much for bell. Thank you, Rodrigo. Thank you for the bells. Diba? Hi, Kupal. Kupal ka pa din ba? Ayun. Hi, Paul. Thank you so much, Sha. Thank you so much. That's so nice of you. I really appreciate it. Thank you, Sha. Thank you so much. Ayun, diba? Tahimik lang ako mag-live, guys, pero ganun. You're most welcome. That's so nice of you. I hope you did like the live. I hope you did like it and enjoy it as well. Hi, guys. Pa-end live na ako later. Mga 5:25 end na ako. Ay, wait lang. 20 minutes pa rin. 5:35 pala rather. Oh, really? Thank you so much. Thank you, Rodrigo. Thank you for that. I really appreciate if you really like seeing me here on live on Bigo. That means a lot. I hope some of these commenters are like you because they're like mean. They're mean here on Bigo. They're commenting mean. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, that's true, right, Rodrigo? Oh, really? I bought this like in my birthday or not like that. Yeah, I wear it on my birthday last year. And I really love it because it's a body hugging. Hi, Midnight Cuddles. Hi, Boss M. Ay, meron na palang doon. Hi, Midnight Cuddles. What's up? Oh, diba? Nasa complete level ko siya, sis. 5:35 will be ending, guys, of my life. No, it's not fair. It's short. It's short with a top. Thank you, Rodrigo. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Rodrigo. Thank you, Rodrigo. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for that. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Rodrigo and Sha. Yeah, this is the same color of my hair color too. Thank you, Dylan Pop, for calling me beautiful. Hi, Robin. Thank you so much. I follow you already, diba? Yeah, I follow already.